The BBC has discovered that local authorities in the West have nearly £45 million invested in tobacco companies. That's in spite of the fact that councils took responsibility for running stop smoking services earlier this year.
Anti-smoking campaigners say it represents a conflict of interest, but council chiefs say they have a legal responsibility to get the best returns for their staff pensions. Martin Jones reports.
This Stop Smoking clinic in Bristol tries to get construction workers at the new Southmead Hospital site to kick the habit. And those running the clinic say they've helped 40 to quit in the past year.
With these people, they give us a lot of support, and I've been stop smoking now for 12 months.
How are you feeling now?
A lot better and a lot richer.
The service was run by the NHS until April the 1st this year, but it's now run by Bristol City Council. That's because all public health campaigns, including those targeting smoking, are now run by local authorities. That's led some campaigners to question where our councils invest their money.
There's a clear conflict of interest here. On the one hand, you've got local authority pensions invested in tobacco with a clear interest in seeing those pensions do well. On the other hand, local authorities now have a duty to improve public health.
All of the big local authority pension funds in the West have money invested in tobacco companies, like this one, Imperial Tobacco. And if you want to see why, take a look at the building behind me, the new headquarters. It doesn't come cheap. It's come from the profits the company have been making over the past few years. And if you want to see how much profit, take a look at their share price. The amounts of money involved are huge. Wiltshire has just over £1 million invested in tobacco. The former Avon authorities have nearly 10 million between them. Gloucestershire has over 12 million and Somerset £21.5 million. None of the councils in the West wanted to be interviewed by Points West about their investments, but finance experts here say they're not surprised that pension funds want to invest in tobacco.
You can get other companies that will do as well, but tobacco has been one of the strongest performing sectors, and it is quite less volatile, not as risky, so you might get similar returns, but you might have more risk and more volatility in a portfolio without it.
There's been pressure on many investment funds to dump tobacco shares for years, but with the share prices looking healthy, it seems unlikely they'll want to kick this habit anytime soon. Martin Jones, BBC Points West.